All right, today we're going to show you how to adjust the rollers on a patio door screen. On all of our screens, we have 4 rollers, 2 on the bottom, and then we have 2 up top. What you'll do is you'll take a Phillips screwdriver. There's a Phillips screw right here. When you put it down in there, if you turn it clockwise, it raises the wheel. So what happens is the screen will then raise up. To lower it, you'll just turn it counterclockwise. You'll do that to the left and right side of the bottom. Once you have that, you'll then come up to the top and just adjust these accordingly. Once you shut the screen, you want the margin between the screen frame and the patio door frame uniform from the top to the bottom. So if the screen is kind of sitting at an angle, that means this back side needs to raise up, or vice versa. So Phillips screwdriver, there's 4 areas on the screen. If you turn it clockwise, it raises the wheels, counterclockwise lowers them. Alrighty, we're going to show you how to adjust the rollers on the patio door. What you'll need is a number 2 Phillips head bit screwdriver. You'll open the door, and on the bottom of the door, you'll see a little hole. Once you insert your Phillips screwdriver in there, there's a screw. So if I turn it clockwise, it's going to raise this sash up. If I turn it counterclockwise, it'll lower the sash. We have the same concept on the back side of the patio door. You have an area right here. You just take your screwdriver, put it in there until you find the Phillips screw. If you turn it clockwise, it raises the sash up. Counterclockwise lowers the sash.